Hello, in front of me I've got Oppo A98. In this video I'll show you how to access File Manager. In the beginning, let's go to App Drawer and search for Files app. As you can see right here, we've got the My Files app. Let's enter it. And thanks to My Files app, we've got access to our device internal storage. Photos, videos, audio, documents, apps, archives, downloads, Oppo Share, Bluetooth, private save, and recently deleted files. Next you can check recents and tag. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.